Insomnia, the inability to fall asleep or stay asleep, affects millions of individuals worldwide. While both genders experience sleep disturbances, research suggests that females are more prone to insomnia compared to males. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the various causes of insomnia in females, shedding light on the complex interplay of biological, psychological, and sociocultural factors. Before delving into the specific causes of insomnia in females, it's essential to grasp the fundamentals of this sleep disorder. Insomnia can manifest in different forms, including difficulty falling asleep, waking up frequently during the night, or waking up too early and being unable to fall back asleep. Chronic insomnia can significantly impact an individual's overall health, leading to daytime fatigue, impaired cognitive function, mood disturbances, and reduced quality of life. Now let's explore the intricate web of factors that contribute to insomnia in females. Hormonal fluctuations. Hormonal changes play a significant role in insomnia among females. Fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone levels throughout the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and menopause can disrupt sleep patterns. For example, premenstrual syndrome often contributes to sleep disturbances in women. Pregnancy-related sleep issues. Pregnancy alters a woman's physiology, leading to various sleep challenges. Factors such as hormonal changes, increased abdominal size, frequent urination, and fetal movements can disrupt sleep patterns. Additionally, anxiety about childbirth and parenting responsibilities may exacerbate insomnia symptoms. Menopause and sleep disruptions. Menopause marks the end of a woman's reproductive years and is often accompanied by hormonal fluctuations and physiological changes. The decline in estrogen levels can trigger symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings, all of which can interfere with sleep quality and duration. Psychological factors. Psychological factors such as stress, anxiety, and depression are common contributors to insomnia in females. Women often juggle multiple roles and responsibilities, including career, family, and caregiving duties, leading to heightened stress levels. Persistent stress and anxiety can activate the body's stress response system, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Furthermore, past experiences of trauma or post-traumatic stress can impact sleep quality. Many females who have experienced trauma may suffer from nightmares, flashbacks, and hypervigilance, leading to sleep disturbances and insomnia. Moreover, mood disorders like depression and other mood disorders are more prevalent in females and are closely linked to sleep disturbances. Insomnia often coexists with mood disorders, creating a vicious cycle where poor sleep exacerbates depressive symptoms and vice versa. Now, let's discuss some sociocultural factors that can contribute to insomnia in females. Societal expectations and gender roles. Societal expectations and gender roles can influence sleep patterns and insomnia prevalence in females. Women may face pressure to fulfill traditional caregiving roles while also excelling in their careers, leading to heightened stress and sleep disruptions. Work-life imbalance. Balancing work and personal life can be challenging for many females, particularly those with demanding careers or caregiving responsibilities. Long work hours, irregular schedules, and the blurring of boundaries between work and home life can disrupt sleep-wake cycles and contribute to insomnia. Cultural norms and stigma. Cultural norms and stigma surrounding mental health and sleep disorders may deter females from seeking help for insomnia. Societal pressure to appear capable and resilient can lead women to downplay their sleep problems or avoid seeking treatment altogether. To effectively address the issue of insomnia in females, it's crucial to consider these diverse range of causes. By understanding the underlying factors contributing to sleep disturbances in women, healthcare professionals, research, support systems, and public awareness campaigns, encouraging open conversations about sleep issues, reducing stigma, and promoting a supportive environment are vital steps toward helping females get the rest they need for a better overall well-being. It is important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to substitute a professional diagnosis or treatment. If you suspect you may have insomnia or any other sleep disorder, it's essential to consult a qualified healthcare provider for proper evaluation and guidance. We hope you found this video insightful. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on various health topics. And if you find this video helpful, share it with your friends and family so they, too, can benefit from this knowledge. Together, we can promote better understanding and support for females dealing with insomnia and other sleep disorders. Thanks for watching and take care.